Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the Amex business loan eligibility and application process. So let's get started. When it comes to fueling the growth of your business, securing the right financial resources is essential. American Express, a prominent name in the financial industry, offers business owners an avenue to attain their goals through Amex business loans. These loans can be a valued lifeline for businesses seeking capital injections. In this video, we will delve into the intricate details of Amex business loan eligibility criteria and the step-by-step application process. Eligibility criteria. Before embarking on the application journey, it's crucial to understand whether your business meets the eligibility requirements set by American Express. While specific criteria can vary, the following are some common factors that influence eligibility. Business type and duration. Amex often extends loans to established businesses with a proven track record. Startups might find it more challenging to qualify due to limited financial history. The stability and maturity of your business play a significant role. Creditworthiness. A healthy credit score is a fundamental element in loan eligibility. Amex evaluates both personal and business credit scores to gauge your ability to manage debt responsibly. Annual revenue. Your business's annual revenue is a key indicator of its financial health. Amex may require a minimum annual revenue threshold to ensure that your business can comfortably handle loan repayment. Business industry. Certain industries might be deemed riskier than others. Amex could consider the industry your business operates in when assessing eligibility. Legal and regulatory compliance. Adhering to legal and regulatory obligations showcases your business's professionalism. Meeting all necessary requirements boosts your chances of approvals. Application process. Once you have determined that your business meets the eligibility criteria, it's time to initiate the application process. Amex strives to streamline the process, making it as efficient as possible for busy entrepreneurs. Gather the required documents. Amex typically requires various documents to assess your applications. These may include financial statements, tax returns, business plans, and legal documentations. Collect and organize these documents before you begin the application. Online application. Navigate to the Amex Business Loan Application portal on their official website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Provide accurate information about your business, financials, and requested loan amount. Loan purpose and repayment strategy. Clearly outline the purpose of the loan and how you intend to use the funds. Additionally, present a well thought out repayment strategy. Demonstrating a solid plan reassures Amex about your commitment to repaying the loan. Financial assessment. Amex will assess the provide financial documents to evaluate your business's financial health. This step involves analyzing your cash flow, debt to income ratio, and other relevant financial indicators. Approval and offer. If your application aligns with Amex criteria and financial assessment, you may receive a loan offer. This offer will outline the loan amount, interest rate, repayment terms, and any associated fees. Acceptance and disbursement. Review the loan offers carefully and accept if it aligns with your business needs. Upon acceptance, the loan amount will be disbursed to your designated business's account. Be sure to keep track record of the terms and repayment schedule. Repayment. The repayment process begins according to the agreed upon schedule. Make timely repayments to maintain a positive relationship with Amex and to uphold your creditworthiness. Conclusion. Obtaining an Amex business loan can be a pivotal step in propelling your business towards success. By understanding the eligibility criteria and following the application process diligently, you can increase your chances of securing the necessary funds. Remember, Each business's journey is unique, and the key lies in presenting your business in the best possible light. Take the time to prepare, strategize, and leverage the opportunities that Amex Business Loan offers to make your business to new height. Thank you so much. This is all from today's video. See you in the next video.